Hey guys, it's Jesper, and in today's video, I will show you exactly how I have generated 1.5 million US dollars with this dropshipping store working only 2 hours per week. As you guys can see, year to date, we have generated 1.1 million GBP, which is 1.5 million USD on this dropshipping store. And I'm repeating that exact same system on this brand new dropshipping store. And as you guys can see, yesterday we did 8.9K revenue. And even if we check year to date to this one, you can see we're having a good amount of scale because it's just brand new and it looks like we're doing close to 500K months pretty soon. So in today's video, I will expose the 1.5 million case study. I will show you literally everything. So make sure you watch till the end because I'm going to show everything how I'm doing this and how you can do this too. So first of all, let me highlight the big benefits of this system that I'm going to teach you. Because the crazy thing is we did 1.5 million USD without any creative testing. That's what we did not do. We did not do product testing campaigns. That's not what we do. We have no audience testing, ICP making customer avatars. No, nothing like that. And no ad account bans, nothing. Just by building an autopilot system. That's what we have done. That's the system that I'm going to show you today. So let me move on, okay? Let's go by building a 2 hour per week work system. So if you compare the system that you normally need to create with Facebook and TikTok, if you're running Meta ads or TikTok ads, what you always are doing is actually finding these winning products. First of all, research 40 hours per week by finding this finally one winning product. Then you need to create or find winning creatives which speaks to the customer avatar, to one avatar, otherwise you confuses everyone. It needs to be original content, otherwise Meta will block you because you're repeating content, and it needs to address different awareness stages because people are scrolling on Facebook and TikTok for just for entertainment, not for buying products. So you need to convince them to buy your product, which is way harder. Then, of course, you need to create high converting landing page. That's something you need to do. You spend a lot of time on product title, on the images, on the description, because it's a one lucky shot that you have. And then, of course, one of the big ones is you need to find a winning offer. 1+1 and free shipping or 2+1. You need to test a lot of different winning offers. But a lot of people are not doing this because they're just copy and pasting what other people are doing on Facebook. And then they will get blocked or they will have inconsistent results and they ask why. Well, because you're repeating exactly what other people are doing. And then what you need to do is launch 5 of the winning product campaigns per day, because that's what everyone is telling you. Launch at least 5 products per day and maybe one will stick, which means you will get a shit ton of inconsistency because this is not a system that's reliable. This is not a reliable system. And if you finally have something maybe that's working on Facebook, everyone rips you or Facebook bans your profile, bans your page, bans your BM, boom, and you're back to ground zero. While the system that we have built with Google Ads is actually way better. I will show you because there's less competition, which means you have higher margins. I will show you at the end my P&L sheet. You guys will see even with a ROAS of 2, we still have 25, 22% profit margin, net margin for all costs, which is insane, Because no, many people are doing this. As well, there is more buying intent. The buying intent is actually higher. Why? People are actually searching on Google to buy products. It makes sense, right? If people search, for example, I have an example here on the right, women winter jacket, you see this, right? This is what you see. This is just a screenshot from this morning in the US. And you actually already can see the #1 listing here. This is a dropshipper. And he's also here with the exact same jacket, but then with a different color, which is insane. He's doing a really great job. And the funny thing is, if you search this website, it's a terrible looking website. But one of the great things is now people have already searched the product, winter jacket, and now they can think, what should I buy? And if they think this is nice and they click on this listing, then this advertiser is only being charged, which means you're being charged only by clicks and not impressions, which is amazing. So if people don't click on your ad, but just click on someone else, you're not being charged. You had just a free impression. I like this a lot. With Facebook, you guys know people scroll past your ad and they have seen even a tiny second, boom, you're being charged. And one of the big benefits, of course, is no ad account bans, no random ad account bans and inconsistency with stuff. That's something it's not even existed on Google. So what do you actually need to do? Well, it's pretty simple, and I mean it. This is really simple. I'm even thinking if I should even upload this video because you guys will be shocked how simple it is. First of all, we upload products. That's what we do. We upload a big amount of products. That's what we do on a consistent base. And when you upload these products, the next step is that you're going to optimize the title, descriptions, and images just with ChatGPT or with any kind of tool you want to use, and just rewrite the title, description, and images based on Google's SEO. The images is just this. You just need to make sure that the images look clean like this. And normally this is just from your competitor, so you don't need to worry about it. Then we launch one campaign with all products in there and we let it print. Yes, it's actually this simple. No different campaigns with bestsellers and bid caps, cost caps. No, one PMAX campaign, empty all products. That's how we call it. I will show you in a minute. And boom, let it rip, let it print. And then one of the good things is he can, at the end, exit the store as well. There is exit potential with these. And I will show you some statements. So for example, this is all last year, all tiny stores, even with, let's say, 50K profit. And I was like, let's just copy and paste what I'm doing. We could sell for 25K. Or this store, we sold for 42K. Or this store, we sold for 32K. Literally, this was just in a few months back to back. We made 100K extra profit by just selling these stores, while I was just copy and pasting the exact same store again and run it again, which is amazing, right? So that's literally the 2-hour work week system. How does this look in practice? Well, this will be huge for you guys. Watch this. Step one, like I told you, you need to upload a shit ton of products wide, which means step one is competitor research. And this is my live competitor tracking sheet. If you guys want to have this sheet and you're still watching, just comment something nice and make sure you're subscribed. I will watch if you're subscribed. Subscribe to the channel and comment something nice, and I will send you over this sheet completely for free. But in this sheet, I make sure that I know the niche, I make sure that I know the market, the store URL, how many monthly visits they have from SimilarWeb. I put in their bestsellers link, I put in the Google Ads Transparency Center, and the estimated monthly revenue. And you guys can see we have stores in here that are doing 2.5 million a month, 100K per month, 200K, 600K, all this different stuff. So that's number one. We make sure that we have a list full of competitors. This could be Facebook ads dropshippers. This could be Google ads dropshippers. You just want to find dropshippers that have momentum, okay? Then we literally take these products and we use the copy app, and you can even connect this with ChatGPT, and we import the products. And we can literally click on update titles and product description with ChatGPT. You give the prompt and boom, it's rewritten and it's perfectly done. This is all done by one product listing VA, which will cost you $4 per hour. $4 per hour. So as you know, I'm not doing anything yet. I'm not doing anything yet. Yes, the only thing maybe that I do when I find some competitors, I will put it in here. That's my only job. Then, of course, what I told you, the third step is launch a campaign. Look at the campaign that I have done for this store that did what, like 1.5 million USD. We spent close to 600K year to date. You see, it's literally till year to date. Not a lot of people can show you actually an ad account that has spent 600K year to date and is still active because they're trying to sell just coaching and this kind of bullshit. But as you guys can see, Google tracked a ROAS of 2.17, which is actually a little bit higher because the conversion value is 1.29. This is close to 1.5. So the ROAS is a little bit higher, but it's still great performance. And this is just one campaign. This is just one campaign. And this one will be launched by your media buyer. I use an agency. I think you should use an agency specialized in Google Ads dropshipping. Icarus Agency is literally the only one that I know that they are specialized in Google Ads dropshipping. So if you want to work with them, that's the website, icarasagency.io. And then the next step is, of course, when you get the sale, you need order fulfillment, right? As you guys can see, these are the orders from just this morning. You see like all different type of prices because we have a shit ton of products, 29, 53, 129, 69, 89, all over the place because we have a big catalog. You see, we even have a high priced products as well. And you see tracking has been added, everything is done, and this is done by a private supplier. That's it. I don't need to do anything yet. I only need to pay the private supplier. That's it. And then as soon as you have done the order fulfillment, then we need to track the finances because now we know the cost of goods. And here you see an actual P&L sheet from one store this month. You can literally see we're doing pretty consistent 10K per days, right? Pretty consistent, maybe sometimes 8, but sometimes 13K per day. And as you guys can see, the cost of goods is around 28%. The ad cost is 4K. And then after the profits, after the refunds, because we make sure that we keep track on the refunds, you guys can see the refunds here, we see that we still have some great, great profits. 2K profit, 3K profit, 2K profit, 111, 4K profit, 2K profit, 2K. We're literally printing on average, I think on this one, 2K profit per day, and I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. And this is just one store. We have 7 live at the moment, which is amazing. And then, of course, this will be done by a finance VA. I'm terrible with sheets. I just have a finance VA. This is costing me, I think, she's a little bit more expensive. I believe $4.50 or $5 right now. Because she needs to have some brains to use some Excel formulas, right? So that's what she does. Then we have the after sales, because of course, when you have some sales, people will have some questions about it. Here you see the ticket system that I'm using. I'm using Gorgeous. You guys can look it up. You can connect multiple inboxes to this system, and you can manage it, and you can create tickets. I just logged in this morning, and you guys can see they cleared the complete inbox. Today it was 195. They cleared 195 tickets, and I just took the screenshot. And this, of course, is done with a customer service VA. So now you can literally see the team actually, right? It's you, a product listing VA, a media buyer, a private supplier, a finance VA, and a customer VA, customer service VA. And this will all be managed by one general manager. And this will cost you probably between $10 to $20 per hour. Depends on which country you want to source them from. I love to work with Dutch people because I'm Dutch. So I just have a Dutch lady working for me, and she is managing this whole system. This whole system, that's what she's managing. I'm not doing anything. She does team calls. She does team communication. She does literally everything. The only thing I do is I pay the private supplier because I manage the money. Every morning, 10 minutes, I check the payment link and I pay. That's it. That's it. 10 minutes per day. And then, of course, you may be thinking, yeah, but Jesper, how do you then communicate with them? Well, it's pretty simple. We use Slack. We use Slack. So as you guys can see, this is my Slack ecom, and you guys can see we have some channels in here. We have customer service. We have a daily report for the customer service. We have daily report for finance, daily report for product listing. We have some delays, finance, cost of goods, out of stock, PayPal. We make a lot of channels, to be honest. I think it can still be way simpler. But yeah, for example, daily reporting is just that they say what they have done. So for example, how does this look like? Daily report, I just want to see that they're working every day. So here you see this morning, October 28th, this is how much they refunded. This is the main reasons why they did refund, the main questions, and how many emails she did handle. And this one as well, the exact same, how many emails. Like they're handling 280 emails per day, which is pretty good, But we have a lot of stores. And for example, the finance lady, she sends this morning, overall summary, October 23, gross revenue 10K, total ad spend 5K. You see, this is not even a great day like rows of 2, to be honest, but still a profit of 1.8K, which is 17% net. Rows of 2.12, cost of goods percentage is 26%, refunds almost 400 euros, which is amazing. So this is literally the whole communication system. And I'm just checking it. Like, as you guys can see, if it's still dark white, I did not check it yet. And I just check this every morning, 10 minutes, but I don't communicate in there. I just put here a check mark every time. Like I just do check, check. That's what you can do within Slack, and that's it. So they know that I've seen it, but I'm not communicating with it. And that's actually the whole system, how you're able to generate a shit ton of money with working less than 2 hours per week. And as you guys maybe are wondering, okay, how does this kind of store look like? I have some examples. So you guys can see, I was just doing some product research in the US, and the most terrible looking stores are still printing with the exact same system. Because look, this catalog, what they have, look at the catalog. I will click on shop. It's all over the place, right? It's all over the place. But still, if we check SimilarWeb, they are growing. They are scaling actually. And SimilarWeb is always behind, always behind. So probably they're already doing 50K monthly visits, which is, I guess, around 75 to 100K in monthly revenue with just this kind of stuff. This kind, and they are only running Google Ads. Only running Google Ads. Next one. I believe this is not even a Shopify store. I think this is a WooCommerce kind of thing. But this one is huge. I will show you. I will show you. Oh, weekly limit. Oh, that's a shame. But this one is doing 110K in monthly visitors, which is insane. 110K, literally with just this kind of, I don't know what this is. Like, come on, look how many products they have on the store. It's a lot. Like, look at the catalog, 113 pages, and it looks terrible, but still doing 200 to 300K per month with just Google. Same with this one. It's you can go like you will be shocked how many stores are running on Google and are printing because there is literally no competition. Guys, please, if you see this is dropshipping 2017, 2018 again. This is why I'm so bullish on Google as dropshipping, because it's literally dropshipping 2017 again. And this store as well, like all these stores that I'm showing you right now are only running on Google. And this is and they're all doing numbers. So these stores are all active. Everything is doing well. Look how beautiful it looks. Look, this is great. This is great, actually. I really love what people are doing with their stores. If you really do some effort, you will crush it. So that's actually the whole system. So I hope you guys now know how to do this. If you think, yeah, but Jasper, I don't know how to implement this. Well, we have in the first link in the description, Freedom Achievers, because that's what we actually teach people, right? We teach people how to make 1K per day in 90 days with Google Ads dropshipping. And I can tell you already a little bit of a sneak peek. This will change soon. This will be even better soon. We're going to make some big changes in Freedom Achievers within 3 weeks, if you're watching this right now, which means we will also double the price within 3 weeks. No fake scarcity. We will literally increase prices within 3 weeks. So if you want to lock in the best price ever, first link in the description, because as you guys can see, people are printing in here. A lot of these days for sales, by the way, for sale. And Michael is a coach of ours. He's doing close to 600K a month right now. And even he made a complete new store after just making the joke that he was stopping. And he's like, just to show you guys what's possible, we reached 1K revenue within 20 days. And 1 week later today, I expect to reach 2K, which is insane. Look, this is just in 20 days. In 20 days, 18K revenue, which is not maybe a lot for a lot of people, but look the consistency. This is what you can get with Google Ads dropshipping. I really, really love this business model, and I'm really bullish of what we're gonna do here as well. Georgi hit his first 1K day. It's insane. It's insane. People here again, first order, first sale, 2.6K day. Man, too many results even to show you guys. I don't want to make this any much longer. So now maybe you're wondering, yeah, but Jesper, how easy is it actually to do this? Well, I made this video where I tell you that Google Ads dropshipping is on easy mode this year and coming year as well. So watch that video if you want to see how easy it actually is to find these products and to literally execute on it. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.